Midnight Maker Jr. presents How to Make Leaf Rubbings.
Go. So today we're making like leaf pictures. So you might not know how to make it, which I'm teaching you about. But if you do know how to make it, I guess you can just leave the video. So this is my leaf picture that I made. All these cool designs. The red leaves. So this is my picture. So I'm going to show you how to make a picture. So first you grab a leaf outside, put it upside down, because if you want to make it look really beautiful, you put it upside down. And then the paper covers it. Have your crayon ready, and then start smoothly, gently coloring on top of the leaf. And then you might see some like really neat stuff. So I'm doing it really gently. It's upside down. Yeah, it's upside down. I need to move this longer. A little longer. So that's how you make it. And once you're done, it looks amazing like this. So that's how you make leaf art. Leaf art.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.